Kia ora and welcome to this quick walkthrough video on how to complete quest analysis. We are nearing the end of our journey with the investigation skill, and this is the last sub-skill you will need, how to analyze your results and write it up effectively. So let's get on with it. In our game world, evidence is critical in showing people your plan is working. Writing it down in an easy to read format is a crucial part of you helping the people of Port Holdfast. So as always, gentlemen, let's get those resources that we need ready and make sure we complete all the slides that have the tasks in them. So again, seal paragraphs, writing up an experiment, conclusions, discussions. If you've never seen these words before, we're down in this zone. If you have, maybe you're here. If you've done a little bit of science at your intermediate, some of you could be a really good expert and you need to claim that. So which of these do you think you are? Chuck it into the square. Then I want you to watch a quick video on me explaining conclusions and discussions, and I want you to sort of look at these three words for this task and tell me what the most important parts are, what are some good features of those parts, and what do those words, particularly in the brackets, mean. Okay, so jot those down as you're watching the video. Then I want you to have a read of this experiment, this investigation these two boys did, and I want you to sort of just pick out some key things, because it's going to be important later on. Then I want you to, it's down here if you need to read it again, but I want you to tell me what you think a good title for this experiment is, a good aim, and what they guessed, okay, for the experiment. Then I want you to pick out what the variables are, okay. This is just a bit of a refresher of the last three quests we've done, but really important because these are the things that you need to know to ensure that you're doing an effective science investigation. Then I want you to fill in this table of results using the information you can find from here. So pull out the data that they collected, okay, and then I want you to try and write a conclusion about that data, all right? So I put keywords that I want to see, and to give you a little hint on what you should be writing about, I want to see a seal conclusion. You have practiced this already, but I want to see it nice and clear in this conclusion here. Why did the balls bounce different heights? Try and find out for me. You can do some research. You can look online to find some important things to look at in terms of these keywords here. So use those to help you. Nice big conclusion there. Statement, explanation, example, and a link, please. Then I want you to go into the discussion. Now the discussion uses these two words, validity and how you can improve on the experiment. So I want you to answer these questions for me in a little paragraph here, and make sure that these are here to guide you to write an effective discussion, all right? And to give you a little bit of a memory jolt on what we should be writing for discussions. If you can't remember, go back to the video, have a watch at what you should be writing, and then try and emulate that here for me, please. And there we have it. Effective write-ups, conclusions and discussions. You should now be at least a level higher than you were, so make sure that you look at yourself and where you are now compared to when you started this quest and own that grade, please. Put that in here. As always, jump in to do a quick self-reflection and make sure all these things are handed in, and I'll give you the rewards. There you have it, the last of the 4 quests for your investigation skill. Awesome, you're there, gentlemen. Now you can start doing some awesome investigations to help Port Holdfast. I look forward to seeing how you approach these. Catch you in class.